Welcome back. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting and profitable strategies in crypto trading, triangular arbitrage. This advanced method doesn't just work across platforms like Luno and Binance, it thrives within a single exchange. I'll break it down step by step, explain how it works, and show you how to make consistent profits using this strategy. Stay tuned to the end for real-world examples and pro tips. Let's start with the basics. Triangular arbitrage involves exploiting price differences between three cryptocurrencies within the same exchange. It works like this. You start with one currency, say USDT. Use USDT to buy another cryptocurrency, like BTC. Trade BTC for a third currency, like ETH. Finally, convert ETH back to USDT. The key is that the combined exchange rates create a profit opportunity. This works because of slight inefficiencies in how exchanges price pairs like BTC, ETH, or ETH USDT. You don't need to move funds between exchanges, so it's faster. Profits come from small price mismatches, but they can add up quickly with larger volumes or repeated trades. Let's look at a step-by-step example on Binance. Say you start with $1,000 USDT. The price of 1 BTC, Malmer, 30,000 USDT. You buy 0.0333 BTC with $1,000. On the BTC ETH pair, 1 BTC, Malmer, 15 ETH. Your 0.0333 BTC converts to 0.4995 ETH. The price of 1 ETH, Malmer, to 120 USDT. You sell 0.4995 ETH for 1,989 USDT. Starting with $1,000 USDT, you end with 1,989 USDT. That's a 989 profit in just one loop. Price differences between BTC ETH USDT and BTC USDT aren't always perfectly aligned. Triangular arbitrage exploits these gaps. Now, let's talk tools. Triangular arbitrage can be manual, but automating it is the key to success. Here's what you'll need. Price tracking tools. Platforms like CoinGecko and TradingView let you monitor live price movements. Arbitrage bots. Bots like Hummingbot or CryptoHopper can execute triangular trades instantly when opportunities arise. These tools connect directly to exchanges via APIs. Exchange API integration. Binance offers a robust API that lets you automate trading. Use it with custom scripts or pre-built software. Real-time calculators. Use online calculators to quickly determine if a triangular trade is profitable after fees. These tools save time and reduce errors. Triangular arbitrage is profitable, but it's not without challenges. Here's what to watch out for and how to solve them. Speed is critical. Price differences can disappear in seconds. Use bots to execute trades instantly. Exchange fees. Always calculate trading fees. For example, Binance charges 0.1% per trade. If fees are too high, they can wipe out your profits. Tip: use the exchange's native token, e.g. BNB on Binance, to get a discount on fees. Liquidity risks. Ensure there's enough trading volume in each pair. If the order book is thin, you may not get the expected prices. Slippage. Prices can change between placing and executing trades. Mitigation. Use limit orders when possible to control your entry and exit prices. Let's look at another detailed example. Suppose you're trading on Binance starting with 2,000 USDT. Step 1, USDT to XRP, XRP price, or 0.50 USDT. Buy 4,000 XRP for 2,000 USDT. Step 2, XRP to BTC. On the XRP BTC pair, 1 XRP, 0.016 BTC. Convert 4,000 XRP to 0.064 BTC. Step 3, BTC back to USDT. On the BTC USDT pair, 1 BTC, 31,000 USDT. Sell 0.064 BTC for 1,984 USDT. Starting with 2,000 USDT, you end with 1,984 USDT. Your fees and slippage resulted in a slight loss. Pro tip: always calculate fees and potential slippage to ensure profitability. To master triangular arbitrage, here are my top tips. Start small. Test the strategy with low amounts before scaling up. Choose high liquidity pairs. Focus on popular pairs like BTC, USDT, or ETH BTC to minimize slippage. Leverage bots. Manual trading can't compete with the speed of automation. Monitor fees. Always factor in trading and withdrawal fees. Practice timing. Opportunities often arise during market volatility or large price swings. Triangular arbitrage is a powerful strategy for crypto traders looking to maximize profits. While it has its challenges, the right tools, speed, and preparation can help you succeed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto trading strategies. Comment below if you've tried triangular arbitrage or have any questions. See you in the next episode.